Hi students, today we are going to learn about the file organization. Before that, we can see what is file. File is a collection of related data and it is the basic unit of storage in the computer. For storing something in the computer, we save it as a file. Then what is this file organization? Inside the file, there are many records. Okay, this record, how these records are arranged or organized, that is file organization. File organization defines how records of the files are stored in the disk drive. Then different file organizations are serial file organization, sequential file organization, random access file organization and indexed sequential access method. In that, first one, serial file organization. In serial file organization, records are arranged one after another. That is, there is no particular order in that records. Okay, there is no particular order for that records and it is stored. These records are stored according to the transaction. If the first record is coming, then that one is storing. Then the fourth one is coming means next to the fourth one is storing. Like that, there is no particular order. According to the transaction, the records are storing. See, the records are arranged one after another and there is no particular order. The records are created in the file in the order in which the transaction takes place. See, we can see here one table. This register number, fields are register number, name and mark. See here, register numbers are 103, 100 and 104. So the first, this 103 record is coming. So that one is storing first. Then the 100, the register number 100 is coming. Then that one is storing. There is no particular order. That is serial file organization. Then the second one, sequential file organization. Difference between serial organization and sequential file organization is that this in sequential file organization, records are stored in the order of or in ascending or descending order of the primary key. Then we can see what is the key or primary key in a table. See, in this table, fields are register number, name and mark. Then how can you decide which field is key? Key means that field needs to identify that records. See, here we can take the name also as key. B means this first record, but sometimes different students may have the same name. Then it will be difficult to identify the student or record. That is why here we are taking the key as register number because each student will have different register numbers. So we can take the register number as the key field because this register number can identify that student. If we are taking the name, we need to take the initial also or last name also. Here register numbers are 100, 103 and 104. In sequential file organization, these records are stored in ascending or descending order of the key field. See here, the key field is register number. So this in ascending order. This key field is in ascending order. And the storage medium may be magnetic tape. That magnetic tape is less cost than magnetic disk. Then for bulk storage, here this one we can use. Register number is the key field. This in sequential file organization, the records are stored in ascending or descending order of the key field. Key field we can design according to design that this key field needs to identify that record. uniquely uniquely identify that record. That's why here we are taking the register number as the key field. And the third one, random or direct access file organization. In random or direct access file organization, it allows immediate direct access of individual records. Means direct access means suppose the 10th record. Then in serial and sequential file organization, that is not direct or random access. Means in serial and sequential file organization, if you want to access the 10th record, first we need to access the first 9 records. Then only we can access the 10th record. But in random or direct access file organization, we can directly access the record. Means if you want to access the 10th record, we don't want to access the first 9 records. We can directly access the 10th record. That is the meaning of random or direct access file organization. Here we are calculating one relative address to the with the key field. According to the key field, we are finding one relative address. This relative address is finding with an hashing algorithm. This relative address is created using hashing algorithm on the key field, and in that these records are stored in that relative address. Records are storing in that relative address. Then here magnetic disk is the common storage medium. Then the fourth one, ISAM. ISAM is the indexed sequential access method. Indexed sequential access method means it is the combination of sequential and random access file organization. It is the combination of sequential and random access file organization. What is the meaning of sequential? In sequential, it is the records are stored according to in sorted order, according to the primary key in sorted order, means in ascending or descending order. Random access means we can access it directly. Then ISAM means it will be in sorted order and we can access the record randomly. In ISAM, same like the relative address, in ISAM we have find out an index. In that index only that records are storing. Records are storing in that index value. That is ISAM. ISAM is the combination of sequential and random access method. And the different file organizations are, file organization means how the records inside the file are arranged. Okay, different file organizations are serial file organization, sequential file organization, random access file organization, and ISAM. In serial access file organization, records have no order. It is storing in the order of the transaction. There is no order for the record. But in sequential file organization, records are arranged in ascending or descending order of the key field. Then in serial and sequential file organization can use the magnetic tape as the storage medium. Then the third one, random or direct access file organization. In random or direct access file organization, we can directly access that individual records. And also in this random access file organization, we are find out the relative address, and this relative address is created using a hashing algorithm, and the records are stored in that relative address. Then magnetic disk is the common storage medium. ISA means it is the combination of sequential file organization and random access file organization. Means in ISA the records are stored sequentially or in ascending or descending order of the key field, and the records are and also and we can directly access the records, and here we can use the magnetic disk as the storage medium. Here the records are stored in the order of the primary key. For each primary key an index value is generated and in the records are stored in that index. These are the different file organization method.